Throat and neck sign and symptoms, feeling of obstruction in the throat. Feeling of obstruction in the throat. The feeling of obstruction in the throat may be compared with having a piece of meat lodged in the throat. It cannot be swallowed down or coughed up, but there is no redness, no pain, and no swelling of the throat. It is commonly referred to as the Flamstone syndrome, although the first reference to this syndrome in the prescription of the Golden Cabinet mentioned a piece of meat rather than a Flamstone. These symptoms is nearly always caused by stagnation of qi due to emotional problem. Modern Chinese textbooks always relate this to stagnation of liver qi and emotional problems such as anger, reverse anger, or frustration. But it also may be due to lung qi stagnation and failure of lung qi to descend caused by emotions such as worry, sadness, or grief. Whatever the emotion or the channel involved, when due to qi stagnation, the feeling of the foreign body in the throat comes and goes according to the emotional state of the patient. A feeling of obstruction in the throat also may be due to rebellious qi of the penetrating vessels. In such a case, it would be accompanied by symptoms throughout the course of this channel, such as abdominal fullness and or pain, menstrual irregularities in women, tightness of the chest, anxiety, and palpitations. However, stagnation of qi and rebellious qi of the penetrating vessel are not the only possible causes of the feeling of obstruction in the throat. These symptoms also may be caused by deficiency of yin of the lungs and or kidneys. In this case, the feelings of foreign body in the throat is less severe than in the previous case. It is worse in the evening and is aggravated by overwork. Summary, feeling of obstruction in the throat, liver or lung qi stagnation. Severe comes and goes according to mood. Rebellious qi in penetrating vessel, worse in pregnancy or before menstruation. Lung and or kidney deficiency, mild, worse in the evening, aggravated by overwork. Liver qi stagnation, a feeling of a lump in the throat that comes and goes according to emotional state, hypochondrial or epigastric distension, irritability, moodiness, premenstrual tension, and wiry pulse. So acupuncture, liver 3, triple Warner 6, pericardium 6, and large intestine 4. Lung and stomach qi stagnation, a feeling of lump in the throat that comes and goes according to the emotional state, sadness, worry, grief, depression, a slight feeling of tightness, oppression or tension of the chest, slight restlessness, difficulty in swallowing, sighing, irritability and epigastric pain, and distension, belching, nausea, vomiting, hiccup, tongue is slightly red on the side in the chest area, pulse slightly wiry on the right. So acupuncture, lung 7, pericardium 6, large intestine 4, and heart, Xianmen. Qi stagnation and phlegm, a feeling of a lump in the throat, phlegm in the throat that needs frequent clearing. Expectoration of scanty sputum, a feeling of oppression of the chest, irritability, swollen tongue with sticky coating, slippery and wiry pulse. So acupuncture, large intestine 4, lung 7, pericardium 6, stomach 40, REN 9, REN 5, and bladder 22. lung yin deficiency. A feeling of lump in the throat. There is dry throat at night, sticky throat, cough that is dry or with scanty sticky sputum, weakened or hoarse voice, tiredness, dislike of speaking, thin body or thin chest, night sweating, normal colored tongue without coating or with rootless coating. In the front part, then floating empty pulse. Kidney yin deficiency. A slight feeling of lump in the throat, dry throat at night, dizziness, tinnitus, hardness of hearing, poor memory, night sweating, vertigo, lower back ache, aching bones, nocturnal emission, constipation, dark scanty urine, infertility, premature ejaculation, tiredness, lassitude, depression, slight anxiety, normal colored tongue without coating and floating empty pulse. Clinical note, a feeling of obstruction in the throat strongly indicate emotional stress with chi stagnation, according to author. Note that this is not always related to the liver and may be related also to lungs or heart. Banshiahu Futang is for stagnation of lung chi in the throat from worry or grief. Thank you for your attention.